Life is full of surprises. Some surprises are good, like a surprise birthday party. Some surprises are not so good. These surprises can cost money. What happens if your car breaks down? What if you lose your job? An emergency fund is like a safety net. It's money you save for those unexpected events. This money is separate from your regular spending money. You don't touch it for everyday expenses. It's there for when you really need it. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind. You know you can handle life's little bumps. You don't have to panic when something unexpected happens. You have a plan. Imagine this. Your refrigerator suddenly stops working. You need to buy a new one right away. This could cost a lot of money. Without an emergency fund, you might have to put the cost on a credit card. Credit cards have high interest rates. This means you end up paying much more for the refrigerator. An emergency fund helps you avoid this. You can pay for the new refrigerator outright. You don't have to worry about high interest charges. An emergency fund protects your financial health. It keeps you from going into debt when unexpected expenses pop up. It gives you the freedom to handle these situations without stress. Debt can feel like a heavy weight. It can be hard to get out of debt once you're in it. An emergency fund helps you avoid debt in the first place. Let's say you have a medical emergency. Unexpected medical bills can be very expensive. Without an emergency fund, you might have to borrow money. This could mean taking out a loan or using high-interest credit cards. With an emergency fund, you have money set aside for these situations. You can pay your medical bills without going into debt. This keeps your finances healthy and gives you peace of mind. Starting an emergency fund is easier than you think. Start small. Even saving a little bit each week adds up over time. Try setting up an automatic transfer. Have a small amount automatically transferred from your checking account to your savings account each month. You won't even miss it. Experts recommend having 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This may seem like a lot, but remember, you don't have to save it all at once. Start small, be consistent, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for anything.